Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forecast.com. My name is Henry. I'm one of the senior analysts at Elliott Wave Forecast.com. Today I'm going to bring an update of the gold and silver, okay? And I will be looking at the gold to silver ratio. Again, over here we got overlay of the gold to silver ratio chart with the underlying gold in the middle and silver at the bottom here. And we can see that the ratio is inversely correlated with gold and with silver. Okay, so for example, we can see from 2008 to 2011 the ratio has been declining, and then we can see from the same period of time both gold rallies and silver also rallies. Now the rally in silver during the same period is faster than the rally in gold because the ratio is declining. This is gold divided by silver, right? This is simply gold price divided by silver price. So when the ratio declines, then obviously silver outruns gold to the upside. But the other way around is also the same. When the ratio rallies, you can see both gold drops, silver drops in the same period, and silver has dropped much more than gold. So it is underperforming gold a lot more. So in other words, silver is more like gold with leverage. Whenever it goes up or whenever it goes down, it always goes up more and it always goes down more. So it's a double-edged sword. If you are in the long side, when the ratio is falling, then silver is going to give you more return and vice versa. But then if it is going lower and you are on the wrong side, then a silver can really make you lose a lot of money if you are on the wrong side due to the volatility and also the speed of the move over here. Now what might happen now is we can see the ratio has already peaked here in 82. We got three sort of similar tops here around 80 something, and throughout the history they've been ranging between 80 and, let's say, I think the lowest one is 10. Okay, and it just, as you can see, it's sort of close below this ascending channel, and there's a possibility to suggest that we could be seeing another leg lower like this in the ratio, which means that if it is doing that, gold and silver is going to rally as a result due to the inverse correlation. And of course, if that's the case, then silver is going to outperform gold. Now if we look at the lower time frame in the daily and we put an Elliott Wave count on it, so starting we're going to take a look at the gold to silver ratio here. Now we can see this is the peak in March 2016, which is the same peak right here. Okay, this is a monthly chart. This is the same peak right here. This is when we see gold at the low and silver at the low, and we can see it pulls back quite strongly until middle of 2016, and then since then has been rallying, and this makes gold and silver buyers getting frustrated because they keep pulling back, gold and silver keep pulling back, and has not been able to rally at all. But now it looks like as if that bounce is finally ended. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and in the blue box, and then looks like it has already broken below this ascending support here, and looks like this is also looking like it's going to continue lower now. So at the least we should be correcting this cycle. Now there's a possibility again that this next leg lower is going to be this kind of move, in which case, if that's the case, that we can see something like this to the downside, ultimately going to break this low here, 64. But it's a step by step. Now the first step is going to be correcting this 1 year rally or 1 year correction here, and by at least correcting it in 3 waves to the downside. So currently we are looking for the ratio to start falling down again, and when that happens it will be supportive of gold and silver, right? Because of the inverse correlation. Now if I look at the weekly chart using a simple trend line, this is gold. Looks to me in the weekly chart gold has already broken above the 2011 bearish trend line. This is the 2011, okay, bearish trend line. It looks like it has broken above it and close above it, and now this is the weekly candle. Looks like it's pretty nice going to the upside. So it looks to me it is supported, and again the ratio going lower is going to be supportive of gold. But then again, if the ratio goes lower, silver is going to outperform. This is the weekly chart of the silver. You can see that it has retested this 2011 bearish trend line, has been broken in silver and retested so many times, you know, 1, 2, 3, with the last retest was the spike a couple of weeks ago, and that spike retested you know, bearish trend line as well as the support coming from 2003. So now again, as far as it can stay above this apex here, then we can see silver starting to rally now, okay, and again supported with the idea that if this is going lower, we can at least starting to see silver finally, you know, starting to rally from here. Okay guys, so that's the update for today. So we got 14 days free trial for our service. We have currently we added another group from the ETF and stock, so we have a total of 78 instrument, and you can try our service, try which group you like to try, and then see what we offer. You know, we offer Elliott Wave charts as well as live session, chat room, as well as the live trading room, which provides you with trading ideas every day. So I hope that you enjoy the video, and see you guys again later.